Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great. Very nice to see you back again. Shreyas, very good evening man. Welcome. Hello Sunil, Sam, Nirmal and Savita. Very good evening to all of you. I hope you guys are all excited and ready for this session, which is going to be a Zero to Hero series session. And the chapter that I have decided for today is Matrices and Determinants. Okay, so I'm gonna discuss the important theory related to matrices as well as determinants, and we are gonna solve some questions. Okay, so before we get into it, I would first like to introduce myself to all the dear students out here. Chemical engineering in NIT Trichy. NIT Trichy, if you are from outside Tamil Nadu and if you want chemical, I would say you need to be around 98.5 and above. 98, 99 percentile will be good. Got it? Thank you, Boom Pav. That is amazing. So nice to hear that. Hello, Neha Fatima. Very nice to see you. Welcome back. Hello, Anisha. Anisha, welcome back. Long time no see. Jana Vicky is also back. Welcome. Kartika, Red Bandit. Welcome guys. And yes, let's get started. So for all those who do not know me, who have not seen this face before, my name is Shimon Joseph and I am a math master teacher at Vedantu. So I teach for the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced level. And to talk about my background, I did my B.Tech from IIT Madras. And like you guys, I also prepared for many exams. I prepared for KVPY and I cleared it in my 12th standard. I prepared for JEE Mains and I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. So that is my background. After that, I got into teaching. I have guided many students to IITs, to NITs and so on. Now here I am to help you guys achieve your goal. You might be wanting to get into an NIT. You might be wanting to get into a IIT, and I will guide you with that process. Hello Venisha, Ritu Lal, Sugedan, Srinidhi, welcome guys. Chaitanya, Bhavana, Sadhwini, so nice and lovely to see all my amazing ninjas out here. Excited for this class. Hi Cyrus, welcome man, see you. I am seeing you again after the 4 p.m. class. Awesome. So people, like I say before, and like I say in all my sessions, this is my Instagram ID, and in case you want to follow me, in case you want to ask me your doubts, you can definitely do that. I would definitely reply to each and every query that you ask. Hello Sudarshan, Vijay Kumar, welcome. Tornado is also back. Okay, fantastic. So people, I don't know whether you voted in your election, but at least this V.O.T.E exam by Vedantu, I want everybody to write, because guys, the V.O.T.E exam is gonna come in 4 more days in 11th April. So 11th April, you have the Vedantu online talent examination. So in case you want to register for it, please do it, because you just have 4 more days to go. And this is not just an exam, it is a comeback. It is a comeback for all of us, because last year was a bit difficult because of the coronavirus situation, lockdown, schools being online. We missed out on a lot in education. But this year should not be like that. That is why Vedantu is helping you with these 4 V.O.T.E exams, wherein you can get to know your performance. Okay? Yes. Cyrus, it is specifically for 11th students who are moving to 12th and 10 students who are moving to 11th. But even if you are in 12th standard, it doesn't matter. You can just give it so that you know where you stand. Okay. And Srinidhi, will this session help you for JEE Mains? Of course, Srinidhi, it is meant for those people. It is meant for 12th standard students who are writing JEE this year. Hello Aishwarya, welcome Aishwarya. Shri, welcome. Very nice to see everybody here. So shall we get started people? The very important slide of today's class. This is it. Okay. So this is important for me. So guys, in case you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and do share it with your friends. Many people want to revise matrices and determinants. So if you feel you want to help them, do share this video to all your friends. Okay. Hello Ravneet Kaur, welcome. Very nice to see you here. Savita, fantastic. Exactly Anisha, that's very important. And do like the video so that we teachers understand that we are doing something good for you. Okay. It is always very good to see all the likes and love that you show us. Fantastic Guashri. Hello Balaji Vishwanath. Welcome man. Very nice to see you. So shall we get into it? Yes? Okay, Aishwarya. That is unfortunate. Maybe you can do it next time, Aishwarya. Don't worry. Okay, Karthik. We have the crash course going on, Karthik, right now. And that is at an offer of 6,000 rupees for all the courses. Check it out in the description of this video. Maybe that will help you. Hello Raju, hello Sanket, welcome. So guys, show me some excitement in the chat. Hit the yo button, hit the thumbs up, and then we will get into it. Are you all ready to revise matrices and determinants along with me? Fantastic people. So that is the spirit. And let us maintain the same energy throughout the class. Okay, I'm going to expect that from you because you guys give me energy. That is nice, people. Awesome. So let's get started. And I know you guys are all in 12th standard, so most of you should be knowing the basics of matrices. So I will revise all those areas which I feel you guys can forget. Okay, so the first one which I want to talk about is what is called as an idempotent matrix and what is called as a nilpotent matrix. Idempotent matrix means A square is equal to A. Hello Samita, welcome Samita. Fantastic. Yes Sanket, we do these sessions daily and that is the best part about this channel. Okay. The Telegram group, Raju, it is given in the description of this video. Just click on it, you can join it. Now guys, please focus on the session. Let's not divert from the topic because we have a great session planned for us. For the next 1.5 hours, I need your attention. I need your complete concentration on the board. Shall we get started? Perfect. So guys, whenever you have the question telling you that A is an idempotent matrix, what you need to understand is that your A square should be equal to A. That is the meaning of it. Got it? What do you mean by nilpotent matrix? Nilpotent is a bit interesting. You need to study it properly. Nilpotent matrix means some power of A will be 0 provided the previous power is not 0. Because if I say some power of A is 0, you can also have the matrix A itself to be 0. That does not make sense, right? So nilpotent matrix means the matrix A is not 0, but some higher power of it. When I square, cube, power 4, power 5, like that, if I keep doing, at some point it becomes 0. That is what we call as nilpotent matrix. And the value of M at which it first becomes 0 is called as the order of nilpotency. The value of M for which it first becomes equal to 0 is called as the order of nilpotency. Are you all cool with that? Everybody fine with it, guys? Fantastic. So Noah, I will repeat it again. Please understand. Okay, I will repeat it one more time. Yes, Aishwarya, I will talk about it. So Noah, when you have a matrix A, let's say it is non-zero. Non-zero means what? All the elements of A are not 0. So that is what we call as a non-zero matrix. Now let us find some higher power of A. Let's say you keep finding A square, A cube, A power 4, A power 5. Like that you keep finding out. Now some power of A, let's say A power 6 becomes 0. Then you call it to be a nilpotent matrix. A nilpotent matrix means some power of A will be equal to 0, but what you should know, A is not 0. Got it? So that is why I gave this. Some power of A will be 0, but the power before that will not be 0. Then that value of M is called as the order of nilpotency. I hope you are clear, and we will do some examples through which this concept will become very simple. Don't worry about it. Now, coming to the next definition, we had a question coming from Aishwarya. Aishwarya asked, sir, what is involutory matrix? Involutory matrix means your A square is equal to I, Aishwarya. So involutory means your A square is equal to I. Are you all okay with that? Hello Gwen Stacy, welcome. Chandrasekhar, very good evening. No problem. This is the very first slide that I'm talking about. Okay. Everybody clear with it? Perfect. Bhavya, that will not happen, Bhavya. Please don't depend on that. Got it? Now, let's move to the next one. The next concept which I want to teach all of you is multiplication of matrices. And many of you might be wondering, sir, multiplication of matrices is very simple. Why do you want to teach that? Guys, I want to teach you the condition for multiplication. Are you all clear? So I want everybody to follow it. I want everybody to understand what is the criteria for multiplication of two matrices to happen. So let me talk about it. Yes, Kavya, I will continue this series for majority of the topics. So guys, let us say you have A to be a M cross N matrix and B to be a A cross B matrix. Now, I want to check whether A into B, whether it is defined or not. Now guys, I hope everybody knows what is order. Order means what? Number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns. That is how you find out order of a matrix. Now people, if matrix multiplication should exist, then these two should be equal. Very good, Aishwarya. Your N should be equal to A. Only when N is equal to A, you can say that matrix multiplication will exist. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. I hope you're all able to follow. Now the resultant matrix, the product matrix will be M into B. The product matrix will be M into B. So that I hope you guys are all clear about. Shall we proceed, everybody? Fantastic, guys. So this is exactly what I wanted to teach here. Now let's try to solve a question based on something that we learnt until now. Okay, and this question was asked in JEE Mains 2021. I want every single person to try it out, and I'm sure you guys can crack it. I am very sure. Only thing is you need to spend some time. I want everybody to take your pen and paper. When you are in my class, you need to have pen and paper. No listening to it like a song. Please don't do that. Everybody take out your pen, take out your paper, and then solve it. That is the best way to learn in an effective manner. So first here what you need to do is you need to find A square. So try to find that out. A square is what? A square is nothing but A into A. So you need to multiply 0 sine alpha, and then you have sine alpha 0. So again you have 0 sine alpha, and then you have sine alpha 0. So when you multiply, what do you get? You get 0 into 0 plus sine square alpha, and then 0 into sine alpha into 0, sine alpha into 0, 0 into sine alpha 0. Here you will get sine square alpha. So this is your A square. Now you have to subtract half I from that. So what is half I? So you have to subtract half I. So it will be subtracting half of 1001. 1001. So that is how you subtract half I, right? Half I. So that will be how much? That will be equal to sine square alpha minus 1 by 2, 0, 0, sine square alpha minus 1 by 2. Now the determinant of it is 0. What is the determinant of this matrix? The determinant of this matrix is sine square alpha minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now that is equal to 0. That means sine square alpha is equal to 1 by 2. That means sine alpha is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So alpha will be equal to pi by 4. So pi by 4 is the correct answer. I hope everybody has got it. Did you all understand it? Amaravi, I will teach integration the next week. Okay. So this week we have planned to do 3D and vectors tomorrow along with complex numbers. Got it? So I will teach integration the coming week. Please wait for it. Okay. Hello Krish Jain, welcome. Very good Balaji Vishwanath. Fantastic. So people, I hope you all enjoyed it. And like I said, the entire solution will be given to you in my session PDF. If you want to read through the session PDF, you need to download it from the Telegram group. Okay. So that is why you need to be a part of the Telegram group. So here we go. The next question. The next question is also from JEE Mains. It was asked in March 2021. The latest JEE Mains attempt. So look at what quality of questions we are doing. We are doing exactly not the easy JEE Mains questions. Rather, we are focusing on the tougher ones so that you guys will get confidence when you write your exam. That is the whole point of this. So please do spend some time. Even if you go wrong, it's okay. If you make a mistake, it's okay. But put your effort, practice, solve it, and then when I tell you the right method, correct yourself. Okay. So guys, X is not a scalar, X is also a matrix. Matrix X is given over here, na? So please have a look at it. I have given you what is X over here. X is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Sunil, the next class will be on weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Got it? I will keep you informed, Sunil. The session will be live in our YouTube channel. Also, we will send you the schedule in our Telegram group. So be active in these two places. In Telegram as well as in YouTube, you will come to know. Got it? Karthik, set and relation, very few questions come, man, in JEE Mains. That is why I didn't do that. Not even 5-6 questions came from set and functions. So set and relations. Functions, of course, is important. So functions I will do, don't worry. Okay, people, are you all done? We have a very nice question here. What do we have here? We have A is equal to XB. So what is A? A is equal to A1, A2. Now that is equal to XB. XB means 1 by root 3 times of 1 minus 1, 1K, and you have B. B is what? B is nothing but again B1, B2. So I can write it like this. So if I open it, I will get A1 is equal to 1 by root 3 times of, I will get B1 minus B2. And what will be A2? A2 is equal to 1 by root 3 times of B1 plus K B2. Are you all okay with that? Everybody? Till here, did you guys understand it? Yes, Kirti Aaron, I will give you some time. Noah, you cannot find B inverse because B is not a square matrix. So here you cannot do that. You directly have to multiply them and then you have to compare it. So A is equal to XB is given, na? Why do you have to make it more complicated? Got it? So X is also given to you. So A is equal to X into B. That's what I have done. And then I multiplied X into B. I got A1 equal to the first element. That is what I have done. So when you multiply these two, Noah, you will get first row, right? First element. That first element will be equal to A1, na? That is what I have compared. So let me multiply it, Noah. Maybe I think that is what I skipped. I thought you guys will be able to follow, but no worries, I will solve it. Listen carefully. 1 by root 3 will be 1 by root 3, Noah. Now, what is the product of these two matrices? I hope you are aware of it. first row into first column. That's how you multiply. So it will be 1 into B1 minus 1 into B2. So it will be B1 minus B2. Then second row into first column. That will be 1 into B1 plus K into B2. So it will be B1 plus K B2. So that is the product matrix. Now you can compare, Nanova. Your A1 is equal to this B1 minus B2 by root 3. That is what I have written. A2 is equal to B1 plus K B2 by root 3. That is what I have written. Are you all able to understand that? Everybody, are you guys able to follow it now? Did you understand it? So Aishwarya says K is equal to 1 and Kirti Haran also says K is equal to 1. You guys are correct. Very good. Did you understand it till here? Fantastic. Now we are not yet done. We are just done with half the question because the actual question begins from here. Now we have A1 square plus A2 square. What is A1 square, Noah? A1 square is B1 minus B2 the whole square by 3 because I need to square this plus A2 square. What is A2 square? B1 plus K B2 the whole square by 3. So that is A2 square. Now that is equal to 2 by 3 times of B1 square plus B2 square. Now this 3 I can cancel it out. Now I can open this square. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? Jana, Vicky, I did not equate a 2 cross 2 matrix, man. I multiplied X and B. When you multiply X and B, X is what? 2 cross 2. B is what? 2 cross 1. So when you multiply X and B, your resultant will be 2 cross 1. Now that resultant I am comparing with A. Please do it. That is why I keep telling you, do it with me. Do it with me. If you just listen or look at it, you will not follow a single thing. I will only learn and I will only get better. The whole point of this class is for you guys. So please take your pen. Why is it so hard? Take your pen and solve it along with me. I said a very simple thing. When you multiply matrix X into matrix B, you should get a 2 cross 1 matrix. Everybody should know that. Okay. Everybody should know that. That is basics of matrix multiplication. So we are comparing a 2 cross 1 matrix which is coming from the product of X into B with matrix A. I hope you're all getting it. So please do that, guys. Only if you solve with me, you will follow. Otherwise, you will never understand. You will just shake your head. Okay, you will just keep shaking your head. Yes, 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 but you will not get anything. Got it? So please try to solve along with me. Now, I hope this step is done. Let's move forward. Let's square it. So if I square it, what will I get? B1 square plus B2 square minus 2 B1 B2. Then what will I have? If I square this, again I'll get B1 square plus K square B2 square plus 2 B1 B2 K is equal to B1 square plus B2 square. Now I can cancel out B1 square. So 2 B1 square plus 2 B2 square, right? Because 2 is here. So I can cancel out B1 square, B1 square, B1 square twice. Okay. Now what can I do? Can I take something common? Let's try to have a look at it. So what do we have? If I bring everything to one side, I'll get K square minus 1 times of B square plus I'll have 2K minus 1 times of B1 B2 is equal to 0. Till here, did you follow? Please have a look at it. Very good, Tornado. Very good, Sashiram. Very good, Shreyas. Very good, Jana. Everybody, I want you to solve along with me. Bhuvana, welcome. Nirmal, yes, Nirmal, you are absolutely right. So till here, you guys have followed. Now, why did I get K square minus 1? Because this 2B square will come to the left as minus 2B square. So B square minus 2B square will be minus 1B square. And already I have K square B square. That is over here. Got it? Very good. Now people, now listen carefully. Because I am going to take K minus 1 common. Because these two have K minus 1 common. So if I take K minus 1 common, I will be left out with K plus 1 B2 square plus 2 B1 B2 is equal to 0. Now we know that K plus 1 B2 square plus 2 B1 B2 is not 0. So this cannot be 0. So what has to be 0? If this is not 0, my dear children, then this has to be 0. That means k minus 1 should be 0, which means k is equal to 1. Did you all like it? So look at how good questions they're asking in JEE Mains. So you need to solve this much to get your answer. So don't take JEE Mains lightly. There are good questions which are coming in. And you need to prepare to that level. You need to prepare yourself to that level. Very good, Gwen Stacy. Very good, Jenna. I'm so happy you guys have followed it. This is the way you solve it, my dear children. Hello, Naveen Reddy. Welcome, man. Very good, Anisha. Fantastic people. Okay. Brilliant, Sashiram. So let us proceed, guys. Let's move forward because we need to keep pushing ourselves. This is another fantastic question which came in JEE Mains 2021 March attempt. Most of the questions I'm discussing are from March attempt so that you guys are ready for April attempt. Okay. Sir, new batch start. You mean crash course or long term 12th standard? So crash course has started yesterday. So if you guys are interested, please do join it. The link and the coupon code for discount is given in the description. Vedantu's crash course are very good. They can help you to increase your percentile. And I will also be teaching a few chapters there. If you believe in Vedantu and if you believe you want to improve your percentile, go for it. Very good, Gwen Stacy. And Asta is also right. Very good, Asta. Fantastic job. Because guys, 2020 is the answer. Okay, that was a fun question. So let me show you how to solve this. Please listen carefully. What do we have here? We have AB is equal to B. That is the statement given to us. So let's try to do that. We have A, B, C, D, that is matrix A into B. B is what? Alpha, beta. That is equal to B again. So that is equal to alpha, beta. Now let's multiply these two matrices. So I'll have A alpha plus B beta and you'll have C alpha plus D beta is equal to alpha is equal to beta. So now I will rewrite this as A minus 1 alpha is equal to minus B beta, and here I can write it as C alpha is equal to 1 minus D times of beta. Are you all cool with it? Did you guys understand it? What did I do? I brought the matrix and I compared the first element with first element, second element with the second element. That's it. Okay, so I brought alpha to the left hand side. I took B beta to the right hand side. And here I took D beta to the right hand side, nothing else. Now why did I do this? Because I can divide them and I can cancel off alpha alpha. I can cancel off beta beta. So I will have A minus 1 by C is equal to minus B by 1 minus D. Now cross multiply and get your answer. So if you cross multiply, you will have A minus AD minus 1 plus D plus BC is equal to 0. So I'll have A plus D minus 1 is equal to AD minus BC. So AD minus BC is what we have to find. So that is equal to A plus D minus 1. What is A plus D? A plus D is 2021 minus 1 is my answer, which is 2020. So 2020 is the right answer for this question. I hope everybody has got it. Please go through my solving in case you have a doubt in it. Sir, I didn't understand some steps, sir. Please explain it again. Let me know. Fantastic Balaji, fantastic Kirti Haran. Very good job, guys. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Very good, Akash. So guys, you see the level of questions now in JEE Mains. It has become better. The questions are so good these days. So you need to push yourself. You need to prepare yourself for that level. That is why we keep saying, now, solve with us, practice, solve more questions. February and March attempt, all the papers you have to do. All the papers of February and March attempt you have to solve so that you get used to it. Got it? Very nice. So now let's move forward. to the next question, which is right on your screen. Please try to do it, guys. Come on. Very good, Savita. That is a good thing you're doing. So I have a matrix A here, and guys, this is iota. Iota minus iota minus iota iota. And iota, you all know, is nothing but the square root of -1. Now it is given that a to the power 8 into xy will be equal to 864. Then what is the ordered pair x comma y? That is what you are supposed to find out. Can you all please do that? Nirmal, you can get it online in JEE Mains website, or in Google you can just type it. Many institutes have published the papers. Even Vedantu has published it. So you can check it. Okay, just Google it. Very good, Muni Raja. That is very good, man. It is helpful for you. Naveen Reddy says C. Sashiram says B. Om Kalwage says D. So guys, what is the right answer? We have 3 options already. Shri Kaushik, welcome. Selva Karthik, welcome. So the answer, my dear students, I will break it to you in 1 more minute. Let me see if anybody more is getting it correct. Very good. Yes, Aishwarya, you are right. So Kavya, Sashiram and Revati, you guys are correct. Sashiram, very good, Sashiram. You were the first one to get it correct and you are confident. Yes, that's right. Hello, Ashika. Welcome, Ashika. Very nice to see you here. Savita, now you are right. Muniraja is correct. A square is 0. I doubt it. Mitcha, I doubt it. So let's first find out what is A square. Why am I finding A square? Everything has to have a reason. You need to ask questions like that. Sir, why you are doing A square? Because, my dear, A power 8 is asked, na? So to find A power 8, I first will find A square, then I'll find A power 4, then I'll find A power 8. Got it? So that is how you move. Yes, Anisha, you are right. Hello, Bharat Raj, welcome, man. The answer is option B. So first let's find A square. What is A square? Iota minus iota minus iota iota. So that into the same thing. Iota minus iota minus iota iota. So that will be equal to what? I square plus I square, which will be -2. Is that right? Then you'll have minus I square, which will be +2. Then you'll have minus I square, which will be +2. Then you'll have I square plus I square, which will be -2. Is that correct, my dear students? Is my A square correct? Okay, everybody cool with it? So Sridevi, I think the brightness is fine, Sridevi. Can you please adjust it in your phone or laptop? Because I think I am already dark. I am seeing the screen. I always teach by looking at the screen, so I can see myself. Okay. Very good, very good. Yes, Jayavira Kumar, I got it. You are right. Fantastic. Yes, yes, yes. I will explain unique solution, no solution and two solution. Infinite solution. I will talk about it towards the end. Please wait for it. So now, after I find A square, I will find A power 4. What is A power 4? A power 4 is A square into A square. Are you clear? It is A square into A square. So what will be A power 4, my dear? It will be 4 plus 4, 8. And it will be -4 minus 4. So it will be -8. Then it will be -8, 8. Are you guys clear with that? Everybody? So that is A power 4. Are you all cool with it? Everybody is fine with this, guys? All of you? Now I got A power 4. Finally, I'll have to get A power 8. So how do I get A power 8? A power 8, my dear students, is nothing but A power 4 into A power 4, which will be 8 minus 8 minus 8 8 into 8 minus 8 minus 8 8. So that will be equal to how much? 64 plus 64. Is that correct? Are you all cool with it? So it is going to be how much, my dear students? 64 plus 64, which will be 128. Then what will you have? You will have minus 64 minus 64, which will be minus 128. Again minus 128, 128. Is that cool, everybody? Is that cool, everybody? So that's it. I got a power 8. Now a power 8 into xy I have to do. So that will be 128 into x minus y is equal to 8. And you'll have minus 128 into x minus y is equal to 64. Now guys, I am getting two different values of x minus y. Therefore, there is no solution. Because here I will get x minus y is equal to 1 by how much? 16. But here I will get x minus y to be minus 1 by 2. So how can x minus y take two different values? That is not possible, and hence there is no solution. Are you all okay with it, everybody? Yes, I hope you're all aware of it, you're all getting it. In case you have a doubt, please feel free to ask. Okay, is that fine, people? Did you understand it now? Fantastic, guys. Awesome. So that is why the answer is option B, which is no solution. Now let us proceed to the next concept, which is trace of a matrix. So guys, let me see how many of you in the chat know what is trace. Did you guys know it before? Hello, Asta, fantastic. Arjun, please remind me again, man. Guys, if you message me in Instagram, do remind me once or twice. Okay, I will definitely help you out. Very good, Kartiga. Very good, Balaji. Fantastic, guys. Some of you are aware of it. Some of you are not aware of it. Don't worry, I will help you guys. No, Neha Fatima, it does not mean transpose. Exactly, Stacy. So trace means it is the sum of diagonal elements in a square matrix. Trace means it is the sum of diagonal elements in a square matrix. So please understand, whenever we talk about trace, we only talk about square matrix. Otherwise, we cannot find trace. So let us say you have a square matrix like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the trace? Let's call this A. So the symbol given to this is trace of A. So trace of A, my dear children, is 1 plus 4, which will be 5. So because trace is the sum of principal diagonal elements, this is called as the principal diagonal. So whatever elements I have on the principal diagonal, I will add all of it. Then I will get the trace value. Are you all clear with it, people? Yes? Hello, Rebecca, no problem. Avinash, definitely Avinash. I will try to motivate you guys towards the end. Please wait for it. Definitely Vihang, if you have the right guidance, if you have the right test series, you can do it. Very good. Now, people, what are the properties of trace? The properties of trace I have given you here. Trace of lambda A. What is happening here? Lambda is a scalar, or you can treat it as a constant. So trace of lambda A is equal to lambda times trace of A. And trace of A plus B is equal to trace of A plus trace of B. Trace of AB is equal to trace of BA. These are all the properties which I want you guys to know. So just write it down in short notes. Write it down in short notes. Sachin, the other diagonal elements, we don't care. It is called as the off diagonal, but we don't worry about it. Very good, Beast. The second property is very useful. I'm going to give you a question based on that. I'm going to give you a question based on second property. So please note it down. It was asked in JEE Mains 2021. It was asked this very year. Very good. Lambda is a scalar. Lambda is a constant. You can think of it like that. You can think of it like a constant, Noah. Very good, Balaji. Hello, Rishi. Welcome, man. What book should we use for JEE prep? I recommend Cengage to all my students. So Cengage is what I follow in my classes. So if you want, you can use that. But it's up to you. If you guys like it, go for it. Otherwise, you can find whatever is better for you. So this is the question I was talking about. Very nice question. So we have JEE Mains March 2021 question. So please try to have a look at it and try to solve it. Please do it. Very good, Kirti Haran. Fantastic. Very good, Noah. Hello, Vaibhav. Welcome, man. Everybody got it? So Rishabh, welcome Rishabh. Objective Mathematics by R.D. Sharma is also a good book. You can use that. Follow one book properly. That is my recommendation to all of you. Is it so, Savita? Fantastic. So now try to solve it. You should be able to do it. Use the property which I told you. See, you finally want trace of A minus trace of B. So what you can do here is apply trace here. So trace of A plus 2B is how much? It is nothing but trace of A plus 2 times trace of B. Is that correct? So that will be equal to how much? 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 1, which will be minus 1. And next we have trace of 2A minus B. So that will be equal to twice of trace of A minus trace of B is equal to how much? Trace of this is nothing but 4 minus 1, 3. So these are two equations. Solve it and get the answer. So trace A is one variable, trace B is another variable. So you have two equations, two variables. Solve it, get the answer, you are done. Very good. Everybody seems to say that option B is correct. So guys, I think you are all right. So option B should be the right answer. Yes, Tornado, you can say that. Very good, Anisha. So people, how do you solve it? So I can just take trace of A to be X, trace of B to be Y. So what did I have? I had X plus 2Y is equal to minus 1 and I had 2X minus Y is equal to 3. So you multiply this by 2 and you add it. So you will get 5x is equal to how much? You will have 5. So x is equal to 1. So if x is equal to 1, y will be equal to how much? Y will be equal to minus 1. So the answer is 1 minus of minus 1. So it is going to be 2. I hope you guys got it. Yes. Very good, Jagadish. Hello, Sashiram, Asta, Tornado, Devadatta. Devadeep is right. Fantastic. So yeah, we'll proceed, guys. I hope you got it. This was a nice question based on your trace of a matrix. But before we move ahead, before we go to the next part, I want to spend 1 or 2 minutes talking about the crash course. So I have very important theory coming up. Adjoint of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, and finally solution of system of equations. So these are the 3 topics left out for today. But before we go there, guys, if you are a serious aspirant of JEE Mains, if you want to increase your percentile, let's say from 90 to 95 or 95 to 98, in case you are looking for that, please do check out the crash course at Vedantu, because it will help you with a guaranteed rank improvement. If you attend the sessions offered by Vedantu and do the test series, because the test series is exactly NTA pattern, we adapt to the exact pattern that is followed currently. So if you want to experience that, why you should experience that? Because you will know what kind of questions to expect, what time you should spend, how much you should dedicate for math, physics, chemistry. All that you learn when you write more and more exams in the online environment. That is where this crash course can help. I have given you the link with the coupon code to get a discount. The overall price is just 6,000 rupees. Vaibhav, I would totally recommend that because you have 2 more months, you still can make a difference. Okay, you still can make a difference. And Savita, 98.5 is very good. Maybe you can get into the Ekalavya batch, it will help you. So Vaibhav, if you are in 12th standard entering right now, then crash course will not be very helpful. You can instead go for the pro subscription. I will put that link also below. You can check it out. Okay. So this is gonna be live classes. You'll have 45 live sessions and I will also be teaching in the crash course. I will take a few chapters. I will not take all of them, but I will teach you a few chapters. In case you feel Vedantu can help you, use this coupon code and use this discount that we are offering. The link for this course is shared in the chat. You can see that. Just click on that link. 6,000 for all the 3 subjects, math, physics, chemistry, along with test series, along with assignments. Guys, that is a brilliant offer. Nowhere in the internet you will find this quality at this price. I can assure that. I can guarantee that. At this quality, this price, impossible. Okay. So Vaibhav, if you are writing JEE this year, then please go for it. It will be helpful. Yes, Anisha, no problem, Anisha. All the best, do well. Okay. So fantastic, guys. With that, let's continue our discussion. Okay. Let's come back to adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint of a matrix? It is nothing but transpose of the cofactor. Okay. Yes, Jagadish, you will get the notes, you will get sessions, you will get assignments, you will get test series. All of it together. Everything will be provided. Okay. That too, teacher notes you will get. The sessions prepared by teachers, right? Those notes you will get, it will be very useful. Now, what is cofactor matrix? Do you all know what is cofactor? Do you all know what is cofactor matrix? So, cofactor matrix, you will find the elements of it as -1 to the power I plus j minor of ij. That's how you find the elements of cofactor. And once you collect the cofactor matrix, if you take the transpose of it, that will be your adjoint of any given matrix A. Okay. So let's listen carefully. So let's say you have a matrix like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you find the cofactor of this? The cofactor matrix of this will be, for the first element, it is nothing but minor of first element into -1 to the power 1 plus 1. Because this element is A11, this element is A12, this element is A21, this element is A22. So if you want to find the minor of A11, what you do is you hide the first row and the first column. So minor of A11 is 4. So Cij, so C11 is equal to -1 to the power 1 plus 1, M11. So M11 was 4, right? So it will be -1 square into 4, which will be just 4. So like that you write. So this it will be -3. For this it will be -2. For this it will be 1. So this is the cofactor matrix of A, and adjoint is nothing but the transpose of cofactor, which will be 4 -2 -3 1. So this is the adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is given by this matrix. That is how the process works. You have A, you first find cofactor by using this formula, including minor, then you transpose cofactor, that will be adjoint of A. Are you all clear? Many people are not aware of this. Guys, please make a note of it. Vaibhav, they will be live classes. They will be live classes. Yes, you can watch on your laptop in the website. Of course, they are live classes. And if you miss the class, you will get recording of it. Got it, Vaibhav? Very good. Fantastic. So that's about it, my dear students. This is all you need to know about adjoint. And the properties, I will explain it. I hope you're all clear. What are the properties? The first thing is you need to know det of adjoint of A is equal to det of A to the power n minus 1. This is a very important formula. The next one is det of adjoint of A is equal to det of A to the power n minus 1 square. That is a very important formula again. And the last one is useful to find inverse of a matrix. So the last one is a very important result. A into adjoint of A is equal to det of A into I, and that is equal to adjoint of A into A. So this is also a crucial formula. Guys, adjoint is very important. All the three formulas, you guys have to make a note of it. Okay, Noah, these are all properties, Noah. You can just note them down. I will show you how to apply it. Okay, I will show you how to apply it. Adjoint as a transpose of cofactor. I gave you an example, but cofactor and minor, I cannot explain it completely, Noah, because it will take a lot of time. That's why I went a bit fast, assuming that you guys are aware of it. Okay, but properties are more important. So right now, note the properties. We will see how to apply them. Okay, so shall we proceed, guys? Are you all ready? So here we go, students. This is the next part, which is inverse of a matrix. Okay, so let's try to have a look at it. So I told you in the previous slide, A into adjoint of A is equal to det of A into I. Now this det A, I will bring it down. So I will get A into adjoint of A by det of A is equal to I. Now I am multiplying A with something to get the identity matrix. So can I say this should be the inverse of A? Because only A into A inverse will give you I. Are you guys able to understand that? So that is why A inverse, my dear students, is nothing but adjoint of A divided by det of A. Are you all okay with it? Yes? Absolutely. Matrices and determinants is a very high weightage topic. You get a lot of questions from this. Okay. So that is how we have got this expression. I hope you understood it. I even derived it for you. Now again, you have various properties. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Om Shankar, if you are right now in quarantine, then by April 27 you will be all right. But I'm not too sure about it, man. I think you have to take the vaccine. Okay, I'm not very sure. I'll check it out. Got it? So next one is Ka, the whole inverse will be, K is a constant. So K inverse will be 1 by K and A inverse will be as such. And what is the determinant of A inverse? The determinant of A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant of A. Got it? I hope everybody has understood it. So tornado, for 2 cross 2 matrix, it's very easy to find the adjoint. But 3 cross 3, it will take time. You have to do it. How to remember all the properties? Guys, you don't have to memorize. Practice. Solve questions after questions after questions. Automatically, it will stay in your head. That is how people usually do. That is how I remember. Do you think I spend time remembering it? I spend time memorizing it? Of course no. I solved so many questions that automatically I recollect it because of repetitive solving. Got it? So that is a better way. Your exam is 20 days away, right? So you can solve repeatedly so that you remember and retain information. Okay? So that is how you get better at it. Fantastic. So people, I hope you're all fine with it. The last point is very important. It is a special type of matrix called as orthogonal matrix. So whenever you have A into A transpose is equal to I, then I can say my A transpose is A inverse. That means it is an orthogonal matrix. So whenever you have an orthogonal matrix, please remember the determinant of A will be either plus or minus 1. Why? Because if I take determinant here, I will get det A into det of A transpose is equal to 1 because determinant of I is 1. Now determinant of A and determinant of A transpose are equal because if I just take the transpose, the value of determinant will not change. So this implies determinant of A square is equal to 1, which implies det A is plus or minus 1. Very good result. Okay, are you all clear with it? Yes, Noah, we will try to do that. Kirti Haran, what is the doubt, Kirti Haran? Exactly, can you please let me know? Sumadi, welcome Sumadi. Hello. Very good, Luffy world. Fantastic. So yeah, people, let's go forward and try to tackle some question which is right on your screen. Please do it, everybody. I want all of you to try it out. Come on, guys. Yes, yes, Aishwarya. It will either be plus 1 or minus 1. It cannot be both. It cannot be both. Okay. So Devadeep Datta is saying, sir, can you please explain the note again? So Kirti Haran, I think you are also having a doubt there. So the note said, if A into A transpose is equal to I, then A is said to be a orthogonal matrix. That is the definition, guys. Here there is nothing to explain. This is how orthogonal matrices are defined. Whenever A into A transpose is equal to I, it is said to be an orthogonal matrix. Now, if I take determinant on both sides, I will get det A into det A transpose is equal to det of I. Det of I is 1, people. Det of I is 1. So now I will have det A into det A transpose. Now these two are equal. Because always remember that the determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. That is again a property of transpose. So this will turn out to be det of A square equal to 1. So det of A should be either plus 1 or minus 1. Got it? Fantastic. So I hope everybody has understood it. Now let's try to solve this question. Definitely, Queen, we'll try to do that. I will try to cover as many topics as possible. Hello, Mohammad Irfan, welcome, man. So guys, if you have A to be a matrix of 3 cross 3 order such that determinant of A is 1, then what is this value they're asking? They're asking det adjoint of A inverse. Guys, can I write A inverse as adjoint of A by det of A? Is that okay with everybody? Yes. Is that okay with everybody? Now, what is determinant of A? Determinant of A is nothing but 1. So, can I say this whole inverse determinant will be 1 by determinant of the inside quantity, which is adjoint of A? That's it. What is determinant of adjoint of A? I gave you the formula. It is nothing but det A to the power n minus 1 square. So that will be 1 by 1, which is 1. and that's why answer is option C. Did you all get it? Did you all get it, everybody? Fantastic. Rajat, it will start the next week, Rajat. Okay? It will start the next week. Fantastic, people. Amazing. That's it. So you guys have understood it. Now let's proceed to the next question. This is a slightly easy one. This is a laddu question. Just to see how many of you are able to apply it carefully. This is an NCERT based question. So please solve it, guys. Yes, we can use that also, Stacy. You can do that. A inverse, the whole inverse is equal to A. That's correct. Do take conics. Okay. Yes, Noah. Noah, I did a session on conics. You can check it out. I did most expected questions on conic sections. Very good session. Please do watch it when you have time. So let's try to solve this. This is an easy one. So what I will do is I need to find A inverse. So we have A square minus A plus I is equal to 0. So I will pre-multiply by A inverse on both sides. Guys, when you do matrix multiplication on both sides, you need to either do pre-multiplication or you need to do post-multiplication. You can't do one side in the front, one side in the back. No. Many people don't know that. So if you have A is equal to B, if I multiply CA, then I need to multiply C in the front only. This is how it works. Okay, I cannot write CA is equal to BC. That is absolutely wrong. You cannot do that because in matrices, the order in which you multiply matters. So if you pre-multiply in the front, that also you should pre-multiply. Got it? I explained a very nice misconception here. I hope you got it. Now you can solve it. What is A square into A inverse? It will be A. A into A inverse will be I. A inverse into I will be A inverse. Right side will be A inverse into 0, 0. So I want A inverse. So take these two to the other side. So A inverse will be what? A inverse will be I minus A. So that is how you solve it. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Okay? Exactly, Jagadish. Very simple question. Exactly one punch man. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Yes, baby Luffy, no problem. So guys, we will move forward to the next one. Please try to solve this, guys. Everybody. Irfan, one video covering all the 11 topics. That would be very difficult, but I can try. I will definitely try to do that. So here x, y, z are in arithmetic progression. So you can say that 2y is equal to x plus z. So try to use that. 2y is equal to x plus z. Okay. So people, can we solve it now? So you need to find out the value of k for which this determinant value is 0. The determinant of this will be 0. Got it? So what can we do here? Exactly, Arnav. Arnav, both of them are actually easy. It is just that you need more practice. Got it? Perfect. So let's try to solve it, guys. So what I'm going to do here is I will do R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 plus R3 by 2. So when I do that, what will I get? Can you guys help me? I'll get 0 over here and I will get 0 over here. Here I'll have x, here I'll have z, here I'll have phi, here I'll have k, here I'll have 4 root 2. And here what will I have? Any idea? I'll have 5 root 2 minus 4 root 2 plus k by 2. Okay, so that is going to be there. So it will be 3 root 2 minus k by 2. So that is your middle one. Now this determinant is 0. So now guys, I can say that I can open the determinant with respect to middle one. So if I open it with respect to the middle one, I will get 3 root 2 minus k by 2 into what will I get? 3z minus 5x. 3z minus 5x is equal to 0. Now guys, this cannot be 0. So this has to be 0. That means k is equal to 6 root 2. So if k is equal to 6 root 2, k square is equal to 72. So option A is the answer. I hope you guys got it. Did you all like it? Very good, Noah. I am happy you got it now. Sumit, yes Sumit. Do you have any doubt? Sashiram, fantastic. Shreyas, very good. So people, with that we will move forward to the next question, which is finding out the maximum value of f of x over here. Please try to do it. Everybody has to try and solve it. Go for it guys, come on. Yes Naman, I have brought questions already. I will definitely help you out with those questions. You can maybe message me over here, or if you want to practice more such questions, you can definitely check out the crash course offered by Vedantu. We do have a complete package of questions where we discuss questions of that sort. Okay. Yes, Kirti Aran, I have done many sessions in this channel. Please do watch them. It might help you. I have done sessions in this channel as well as in JEE channel where Arvind Sir is teaching, right? So even there in the year 2018-2019, I was part of that channel for some time. So there also you can find my videos. Definitely Arnav, it is very intense. Only if you join it, you will understand it. And the assignments are also very high quality. They will help you get a complete idea. Okay, for the price, it is the best thing you can get right now. And I have put the link in the description of the video Arnav. You can check it out, okay? So guys, what I'll do first is, I will write C1 as C1 plus C2. That will help. Yeah, that will help. So what will be my f of x now? My f of x will be C1 plus C2. So 1 plus sine square theta plus cos square theta, which will be 2. This will also be 2. This will be 1. And here I'll have 1 plus cos square x, cos square x, cos square x. I'll have cos 2x, sine 2x. Now I can do R1 is R1 minus R2. Now what I'll do is R1 is R1 minus R2. So if I do that, I'll get 0, I'll get 1, I'll get 0 here. So now I can open it. If I open it, what will I get? I'll get f of x is equal to minus of 2 sine 2x. Then you'll have minus cos 2x. So what is f of x? F of x is nothing but cos 2x minus 2 sine 2x. So the maximum value is what? This is 1, this is 2. So the maximum value is root of 1 square plus 2 square, which is root 5. So the answer is root 5, which is option C. I hope everybody has got it. Why can't we use R2 is equal to R2 minus R1? Yes, you can do that, of course, but you get only 1 0, right? You won't get 2 zeros. But what I did, I got 2 zeros, na? One punch man. So whenever you have more zeros, that is easier. Cos 2x minus sin 2x would have been complicated. No man, it's very easy because I told you this. You remember when you have an expression like this, a cos x plus b sin x, the maximum value of this is root of a square plus b square. So all these tricks you will learn. All these tricks you should be taught. That will be taught to you in the crash course, like I said. Okay. So Cyrus, I got what? I got cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x na, Cyrus. So according to this inequality, it should be 1 square plus 2 square na. and the minimum value will be minus of root of 1 square plus 2 square. So that is what I used, Cyrus. Okay, that is what I used. So answer is root 5 because we want the maximum value, right? Understood? Did you all like it? Cyrus, are you cool with it now? Yes? Fantastic. So with that, we will move forward to the system of linear equations. So guys, I think we will probably solve this detailedly in some other class, guys, because I think it's already time. So I will probably take this up in another session because I want to explain it in a detailed manner. It is a very important topic. Maybe we can do it in another session that I'll plan for you. Okay. So Cyrus, please note it down. It is a very important inequality. Got it? So people, we will conclude here. I need to take some water. I think my throat is becoming dry. So we will continue it in the next session. Got it? Exactly, Arnav. Very important it is. Okay. So guys, the last portion which I told, right? The system of linear equation. It is very important. I will teach you, but I will probably schedule a separate session on it. That is better. And people, if you want to be in the crash course, please do check it. It is very important. It can help you increase your JEE Mains rank in a short span of time. So some of you really were interested and you guys were looking forward to it. So guys, don't wait because the crash course just started yesterday. So you can be a part of it for 2 months and you may improve your result and you will definitely thank me later because we just got the results today. We compiled all the results. We have almost 107 students in the crash course above 99 percentile. Can you believe that? Even I was shocked. I was so happy that so many students have improved in the crash course. 107 students above 99 percentile. In my teaching experience, this is the best we have done. I have done personally. So please do be a part of this revolution. We have doubt solving, we have mock test, we have exam strategy as well. So definitely do check it out. Total students, I think it's around 1500, man. So we had around 1000 students above 90 percentile and we had almost every other student qualified for advance. So like that we had. So 100 percentile, I think we had in physics we had 1100 percentile, in maths we had 600 percentile, and in chemistry I think 5 people got 100 percentile. So overall all 3 subjects 100 I don't think we had, but 99.98 we had one, 99.99 also we had one. So if you want to be the next person, then do check it out. The link is given there in the chat. Just click on that link and you will get it for a price of 6,000. So crash course Nitin will be accessible for 2 months. Accessible for 2 months, but teaching will be for 45 days. You will have 45 live lectures. Then you will have assignments, test series. The test series will be available to you for the next 2 months. Got it? Definitely, Jagadish, I will do that. Okay. How many marks for 100 percentile? Guys, 100 percentile means you have to get 300 on 300, guys. Okay. So that is only 100 percentile. If you get 300 on 300, that is 100. So that is not very easy. That's difficult. But I am really proud of my students. I am really proud of the performance of Vedantu's kiddos. They have gone to get 99.9899. So wonderful. It is very, very heartwarming, and I'm sure you guys can also do it. So check it out when you have time. This is the Telegram group for our channel. Definitely do join it if you want to stay updated. And last, the most important slide. If you enjoy our classes, definitely subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends, and also like the videos, guys. Okay. So we want to grow this family. I hope you guys will help in that. And do take care of your health because the corona cases are again increasing. So take care of your health. Do well in life, and we will meet again tomorrow with another most expected series, vectors and 3D. Very important. Thank you, Cyrus. Definitely, Neha. And guys, all the very best. Do well. And we will meet again tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you.